Good morning, Mr. President, Right Honorable Enoch Kamzinge Nchana, ndine National Party Chairman Green Lilo Mamondwe. Na ulemu wose tumtauzani na fuko rose da nyumba yose. A president, please munipulikishe ndipo mumalize yose tepu iyi. Kuya unenesho tadandaura chomene kutondeka na kurumpi central uwo ka number 3 kumzuzu kukauseo nako number 3 kwa kansela kukaronga nako kuyembe number 3 ukansela ndise tadangisha cha ndimwe a president mukupulika cha para ndale mukumanya za kwa America za mbuku za kulu za mtondani kamparani ine kwambula ma structures vitu vingenda yayi first instance tikatondeka only 4 MPs chifukwa mukapulikacha mukumba vyose self-centered chifukwa cha muna ndalama mbweti cha kunyengerera mukunanga chipani panyake nyengo ya kupumula imwe ya kwana mulekele wachipani tendeshe chipani honestly speaking munachite bakora cha kurumbi central impression ya chalo chose sona wa DPP mwakamnyozerani wajapi muhango na mzomela ngwira ni hivi sono. What bargaining power do we have? Kurumbi central wose bakakana zambandare Nyirenda mwaita impose mweka wose na mafumu huo wakakandiratu. When we imposed, how can one person impose a person? Bakale tuweka jumba yai ini zina Nyirenda kulimai kwa bakale bakale cho meni kurubi barujezi hapo kumanyuma before even pika bwana MP so mwatilengeshana chipani chose vose wanyane wanimbila riyai a president wapulika cha. This is not the way we run the party. A chipani chino it's not your party. Chipani cha bantu. And if you don't listen, then resign. You don't deserve to be there. Imuti usewa vice president wangamfumeni po any date for we have no power now. Wa DPP na wose wakumkumbani yaya pa mulipo. Mkuendelea rusungu lwa APM. Yes, mukapulikana nivyo. Kweli constitution cha. He can remove you anytime. Nunditose tamara. And pa munandalama structure should have been put. This is the time kuti soti no chipani chiwerere maro ma structures yaemu. Tawonga ndipo tikupikani chomene kuti mukumba kuzenga maono wa watata waleti Dr. Chakufa Chana. But kwa sori zote priority. Ndama nani sutekura it would have been tino chipani daga hivyo na kumare wachaka or next year vichitikenge. Mzimu wao usomontendere he will be very happy. But how can you be imposing? You don't talk to anybody. Any municipal satisha. Yes, I'm National Party Chairman. If you say Mukitaka Mweka, always alone, bulldozing the party. Ah, yes. Not only that, utesita muli now. Muzomela kalikose taka mumanya kuti kangachitika cha. Haipi tichitenge. Yes, this will be done. No, you promise a lot of things which you know you cannot do. Say the truth. A president should say the truth. Mwatinyamuna tose tamchindikali chomene, but it's too much. I'm very, very disappointed. Kumbo ya wanyanda ba yoya intena cha. The whole party chadangika. You should call for a neck. Tumanindra makose vise wa neck. Kwali kumzuzu, kwali kulilongwe. Nana must be there. Tika yoya unenesho, Mr. President. Yes. Mwatondeka. Mwaita pe maharacha. Mkwenda upepisha kucharo. Afori ndi mwikendiranga cha. apa ine nkaleka DPP kuti ku afford a lot of people uyu akapanda chihada uyu chakufa chihada. This is very important and strong hearted person. Uyu ngwandane nati awerera mwamondo tasiwereremo. That's why chipati chikawerera. What else do you want us to do? No. Tingapisacha. Para mwavuka, mwatondeka, you don't need to consult others kuti mwendeshe mweka, mbwe mfumwe pa chipani ichi. Resign, chendenge, chimarecha. You need our blessings. So mtachitira hapa, takozeka soli cho mene, the whole country mwita mara. No bargaining power. Tende Wilson. Ay. Pepani. Mimi nimakona cha.